This is the meanest hummingbird I've ever seen. He's guarding the feeder on the left. I know it's shaky. Hold on a second. You'll see he'll be the only one at the feeder on the left. He chases off anyone that tries to feed from that feeder on the left. And he even goes and chases them off the other feeder. You can see him all stacked up on the other feeder while he's guarding the one on the left. He's a really selfish little hummingbird. There you see him there. He's been doing this for a good 20 minutes, half an hour. I even tried to chase him off and he wasn't scared of me at all. It's funny. Never really seen that. There's he's perched up there. See, he's like the king hummingbird here. There he goes, chasing him off on the other one. He's funny. There he is, perched on his prize. It's just hilarious. It's not very nice though. I feel bad for the other hummingbirds. He's harassing them. You see they're all stacked up on the other feeder. Not enough room for them all, but meanwhile he keeps the one on the left to himself. Ridiculous. I've never quite seen that, I don't think. That hummingbird should be banished from the colony. It's really cold. And they are stacked on that other feeder. No place. Standing room only. Pretty entertaining. I got some awesome pictures too. Really good ones. Have to give credit to my dad for these feeders because he's the one that does this. You know, takes care of them and fills them up and everything. It's kind of his hobby, but I'm home more than him. So I get to actually watch them more than him probably. So he gets credit for this. I have some great hummingbird action here. Anyway, they've calmed down a bit, but you can see he has it all to himself. Oh, there he goes, chasing them off. Yep, he wants his feeder all to himself. He's chasing them off the other one right now. Where is it? There it is. Anyway.